This is video 3, navigating the backend platform of the EMM Survey Registry. The aim of this video is to explain how to navigate the backend platform and to show what the different main features of the backend platform are. Detailed instructions of this feature can be found in sections 3 and 5 of the user guide for the backend platform. The dashboard is one of the main features of the welcome page of the backend platform, which is the first page that will open after logging in. If this is your first time logging in, please refer to video 1, accessing the backend platform of the EMM Survey Registry, and video 2, managing your account and respecting the security measures of the backend platform of the EMM Survey Registry, before this one, as they are precursors to this video. On the dashboard, you are provided with statistics that are real-time and auto-generated by the backend platform. You can see 2 boxes which feature information about the EMM Survey Registry. This one shows the number of records about the surveys that are currently available on the backend platform and their respective statuses: draft, ready, published. To learn more about the status of records, please refer to section 6 of the user guide for the backend platform. This one shows the current number of backend platform users. You can select time periods to observe the evolution of users. From the dashboard, you can also access your user information and rights by clicking on your username at the top right of your screen. From here, you can access your profile or logout. Please refer to video 2 for a detailed explanation about your user rights, such as accessing, managing, and using your profile. Finally, you can also access the space for viewing, creating, and editing records from the dashboard by clicking on Surveys on the left sidebar of the welcome page. Before accessing this space, please view video 4, viewing the records for the surveys via the back-end platform of the EMM Survey Registry, and video 5, creating a new record on the back-end platform of the EMM Survey Registry, which give step-by-step explanations of the process. Please also carefully review sections 5, 6, and 7 of the user guide for the back-end platform. This concludes video 3. Navigating the backend platform of the EMM Survey Registry.